In this video, we'll understand how to recover deleted rule in PEGA. So consider I'm deleting this rule, maybe test 4, maybe I'm deleting this. So once the rule is deleted, so if I wanted to recover this, for that you can just open this recents and you can open it from here and you can click on restore. But if you still don't find it in the recents, then how to do? Okay, for this you are supposed to go to configure, go for application and check for application and development and recent actions. So you have to click on this. So let me close this, whatever the rule I have deleted, let me close that window. So now you can just check for all the rules what got deleted. Okay, so test 4, this is the rule what got deleted. So you can just open it from here and you can simply click on restore. So automatically the rule will be restored. If you just refresh and check here, that should be available. Okay, so in this way we can restore any rule whatever created, whatever deleted. Okay.